Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by A&K. In today's video, we're going to talk about contemporary interior design style and how to implement contemporary design style in each room. So, let's get started. Whether you're looking for a simple room refresh or are starting from scratch, there's something to be said about finding the best interior design style to suit your home, lifestyle, and tastes. At some point, there's probably been a time where we've all confused modern interior design with contemporary style. And though they share similarities, contemporary home decor stands all on its own. Contemporary decorating style is classic yet thoroughly of the moment and timeless thanks to a light-handed, spare take on decorating to ensure it will never feel dated. While modern decor can feel cold, limiting, and overly minimal, contemporary style is calming and serene and is peppered with a focus on architectural elements, decorative details, attention to bold scales, and a concise color palette to create a warm space with easy sophistication. Simplicity, clean lines, plays on texture, and quiet drama are fundamental in achieving a perfectly balanced contemporary style home. Contemporary style is great for minimalists looking to steer clear of fussy prints, a heady mix of eras, and for those looking to create a simple yet thoroughly realized harmony between varying elements while focusing on the architectural elements of a room. There's joy to be found in beautifully curated contemporary living room that features a mix of high-shine contemporary home decor that boasts conversation starters and stand on their own in a sea of neutrals. As contemporary decorating style is timeless and defined by a classic approach to bringing a room together through luxurious simplicity, it's a design movement that's well worth the effort and investment, as it will never go out of style and is easy to update. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, then don't forget to like this video. Here's a quick rundown of the architectural details that you will want to highlight to inject into your home with contemporary interior design style effortlessly. For a contemporary living room, keep flooring simple with a classic wooden floor and source rugs that are simple in pattern and carpets that feature a low pile with geometric shapes. Source lighting that's simple yet effective in showcasing contemporary home decor and architectural features. A mix of metal, stone, and opaque or clear glass. Make use of structural elements like molding and exposed brick walls and pipes for added character in an otherwise simple room. A go-to when considering contemporary interior design, neutrals along with grey, black and white are a signature of the design style and are used to define and ground a room. Think of neutral setting as a great starting point to bring in hints of color and a foundation for expressive artworks and objects with more personality. By selecting the right neutrals for a contemporary living room, you'll be able to bring in smaller pops of righteous color that you can easily switch around depending on your mood. But if you're looking to go full on with color, say an entire wall, we suggest keeping your trims, ceiling and flooring light to complement contemporary decorating style cues with flair. When it comes to contemporary interior design, less is way more. Select contemporary style home furnishings that are statement making conversation starters while remaining pared down with smooth, clean geometric silhouettes and straight lines. Think solid hues and finishes, natural materials and unadorned surfaces. For upholstered pieces in a contemporary living room, go for neutrals in textured natural fabrications like wool, cotton, linen, silk and jute and bring in pops of color with throws and pillows that steer clear of loud patterns as clean and concise in the mood you should be fixed on. As contemporary interior design calls for clean lines and studied simplicity, textiles are an easy outlet to help you avoid a cold contemporary style home by bringing in plays on texture, tonal pattern and concise color combinations. Stick with neutrals, stripes and geometric prints in small amounts to bring in personality, and to complement a well-designed contemporary living room with hints of unexpected yet considerately placed play. Though furnishings call for a minimal approach, decorative accessories are where you can get creative when looking for a contemporary style home fresh. From lamps to decor objects to artworks, sometimes the best contemporary interior design approaches rely on the extras you bring into a room after sourcing furnishings that you're committed to. For contemporary living room ideas, go for small elements that will double as unique conversation starters while adding depth and personality to an otherwise minimal room. If you're blessed with oversized windows and great unobstructed views, we suggest keeping contemporary style window treatments minimal and easily retractable to maintain a clean, flawless look. That said, sometimes the best contemporary interior design inspiration we come across boasts the unexpected, and window treatments are a great way to bring in contrasting elements. You can keep the look natural with wooden blinds in a dark hue, or go for sheer white floor-to-ceiling curtains that will add polished drama to a decidedly contemporary living room or dining room. Now that we have gone over the basics of what makes contemporary interior design style so compelling and timeless, here's a quick way on approaches to bring this design style into your home with ease. When it comes to the kitchen, contemporary interior design is all about a spare, minimal approach that steers clear of clinical. A colorway of soothing grays, neutrals, and white is a classic fail-proof option that will stand the test of time and always appear clean. Paired with traditional flooring in natural materials, explore modern cabinetry with either high shine or matte finishes for an understated yet elegant juxtaposition. And do seek out storage that will keep surfaces clear of clutter. Moving on to contemporary style for dining room, it's all about a sustainable table, structured seating and symmetry. Go for a contrasting oversized table with a glass or stone top, matching chairs and a console to tie everything together. You can use green reflective hanging works as a simple yet unique statement maker, while the gilt pendant light and textured vase lend an organic touch in small doses. When styling the living room with contemporary design style, keep in mind that what makes a contemporary style home memorable is a fierce commitment to modern simplicity, attention to line and space, geometric shapes, and a strict yet well-considered color palette that's easy on the eye. But since your living room is often the best place to highlight your tastes and sense of play, do add character to your most often used gathering room with decorative extras and art that will set your home apart. Think expressive artworks, two-toned rugs, pillows and throws, and sculptural lamps and vases for added decadence. For your bedroom, do as you would in any room in your home and go for clean, straight lines that boast a sense of richness via impeccable design, and do bring in tonal textures for extra warmth and comfort through bedding, rugs, and accessories that evoke a quiet sense of pulled together glamour. Do avoid trims, tassels, bed skirts, and in general anything too cute or too gender oriented. When looking for contemporary style bathroom inspiration, stick to the concept of a clean, serene oasis. Think white, bright, and light filled. For a personal edge, we suggest sourcing custom designed fittings or ones that are unique enough to create a memorable impact for the guests. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.